Hey guys, today's project is to take this rain barrel, which right now has nothing in it, just got this platform set up, and use this DIY rain barrel diverter and parts kit to hook it up to this gutter. So what we got in here, this is the diverter that goes inside of the gutter, hose to connect it up, some adapters, a pipe fitting here if you want to run a garden hose off the bottom of it. This, I believe, is a cover for winter time. And it even comes with some tools. You'll get your hole saw, a little drill bit, and a nice warning label. Alright, so with this size adapter, you can't just put it in like this. It's too wide. It's not going to catch all the water that it needs to. So the directions say to come in from the side this way. You're not going to catch as much as if you could go this way. If you have a smaller gutter, it would work that way. But with this size of a gutter, I have coming from the side. And you want to be about 3 inches down below the top of this tank because it's not a sealed tank. And this way, if it gets to that point, any overflow should go right back in the pipe and the gutter downspout. That was loud. And the end piece shot right out. It's a little warm. Last thing I have to do is screw in these 2 holes here, which is not completely necessary to keep it in place, but I should do that eventually. The one thing I did not consider, which is a learning lesson, is that this is kind of tipped up, so the pipe kind of comes in and up and down. So if yours does that, you should probably make this a little bit lower so you don't have this uphill. But it should be fine, because if the water comes in here and fills, it should still make it in the barrel. All right, well, it looks like it actually might rain soon, so let's see what happens. All right, it rained. Let's see what we got. Well, there we go. Looks like it's about 2/3 full, maybe not quite. All right, looks like it works.